Dear Reed, I know you're up there somewhere, marking out newly discovered trails so that you can take the angels on a group hike. Teach them how to rappel and how to climb up a mountain. And show them your patience, especially with the new hikers, the way you showed us and the way you taught us. You will be greatly missed down here on earth, but I know you were called to guide others, to find healing, and to build friendships like you did with us. I hope one day we will hike again. Your memories will live forever.